So the biggest impact to me is just, again, knowing that these children can come to school every day, knowing that they have accessible, clean, potable water. So I guess the impact beyond the water tower itself is the relationships that we were able to build today. Working with the other team members, the folks from ITP Power, watching all the team members interact with all the students, teaching the students about healthy washing habits and having the ability for them to have this clean water is just truly an amazing experience altogether.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, wow!
Yeah, actually I'm part of the team to build the tower. It's really exciting, and with the teamwork it's really good. We welcome that. So I'm very engaged and enjoying it. Before, I think that we usually, in my country and my city, we usually take the clean water for granted, So this is really, I'm really shocked that it's for the children here, they do not have any clean water. So it's really a big impact for me that when I come back to my country, my city, I think that it's really difficult to imagine that we build a real water tower. So I feel that it might be very difficult. But after arriving that with the Planet Water's very good preparation, and also that with the team's instruction, and we have a big team, 10 people together, and we make this tower. I think that it's faster than I thought. I think that maybe take a long day, but it's teamwork. It's really good.
Okay, thank you. Actually, I'm charging of the business leader in the Southeast Asia, including of the Thailand. So I heard in this big project, Planet Water project, has begun of this Thailand. So I would like to voluntarily join of this project. So our goal is to supply of the clean water and comfortable water to any the consumer. So willing to join of this the Planet Water project.